Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwach, a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. Those are the three pillars we are looking at. The topic for today is we are going to America. We'll be investing in the American stock market. Why should we invest in American stock market? The reasoning is very simple. It's a big market, and the returns are very quickly. Compared to the Kenyan market, American market is big, is huge. So you can get quick returns. So if you are new here, I welcome you to my Telegram group. That's why we'll be discussing the stock market 24/7. I welcome you to American market. We've been in the Kenyan market for a year, and now I want us to go and invest in the American market. I have a question. Before you join the American market, I have a request. Please get trained. You need this book. You can order your copy. I will deliver it where you are. I deliver in Nairobi and I deliver everywhere. Kisumu, Mombasa, Eldoret, wherever you are. I'm ready to come and deliver this book. Or send it via buses or via parcels. As we go to the American market, you need training. You can make profits very quickly, and you can make losses very quickly, and you can lose everything. I don't want you to make losses. I want you to make profits and profits and profits. And the best thing you can do is join the VIP group, because there you are able to copy my trades. You are able to copy what I'm doing, and you are able to walk in my shadow. The VIP group is very good. You can consult me, you can call me any time of the day and night. You can walk in my shadow, you can buy the shares I'm buying, you can sell the shares I'm selling, you can make the profits I'm making. Don't walk alone when we are going to the giant ocean. I'm recording this video in Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria is big, and unless you know how to swim, you can sink, you can drown. If you are with a boat and the waves become too strong, your boat can capsize. We are going to the American market, and it's a dangerous market. It's a money market, yes, but also remember, you can capsize, and you need to be well prepared and well guided. Join the VIP group. Give me a call. I will ensure that you are added to the VIP group. VIP group is not free, it's charged. It's 1,000 shillings per month for training on the stock market. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Otherwise, thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.